Let us continue to look at descriptive statistics in PSPP. So we're going back to analyze, we'll go to descriptive statistics, and we are coming down to descriptives. So when you look at the different statistics that you could perform, you see all the options here. So it's mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum read, sum, standard error, variance, kurtosis, and skewness. So you'd realize that these statistics functions could also be found under the frequencies function as well. So what I'm going to use this video to demonstrate to you is how to convert your scores into z-scores, right? And that will be something that you would have learned in statistics class. So let us look at the total course marks. I'm going to send that over. We're going to allow minimum or maximum here to remain checked, because if there's nothing checked, you get an error when you actually try to form the z-scores. And you're coming down here beneath options, and you're going to click right here where it says save z-scores of selected variables as new variables. So we're going to click that, and we're going to click OK. Good. And here in the output view, it's showing this, showing that the source was total course marks and the new target variable is z total marks. So if we go back to our data set and you look in this column here, you would see z total marks. So all these marks here under this column, total marks, they are now converted to z-scores. One of the benefits of this is that if you want to look at a data set and to look at all the values within the variable of total marks, and you want to find out what values were significantly high or significantly low, you could use the z-scores to tell this, and also to perform other functions that you would have learned in statistics. And to just get a look at this, we'll go to analyze, we'll go to descriptives, we'll go to frequencies, and let's send the z-score marks over into the variable column here. And we could probably unclick these for now, right? I will leave mean, and we'll go to frequency tables. It's right there, it's set at always, and it's in the ascending value order. And we'll click continue, and let's just look at charts if we have anything clicked in charts. No, nothing. I will leave it as is, continue, and let us click OK. So we'll click OK. Now we'll go to our output viewer. So in our output viewer, we'll see all the different z-scores here, and based on how these z-scores look, we could tell which ones are significantly high or significantly low. If it's more than 2 standard deviation beneath 0, or more than 2 standard deviation above 0. So on the lower end, this one is not less than -2, and we have one value here that is more than 2. And we have 2 persons who have this z-score. So it shows that 2 of the marks within the total course marks were significantly higher than the other grades within the class. So that is how you convert your values into z-scores using PSPP.